Good morning, children. Today we will do the book exercise of your English 2. So take out your Gulmohar and open page number 16. First we will do the book exercise. It's a very small exercise, so we will complete the exercise of the poem Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? So you open page number 16 and be ready with a pencil. So question answers will be given in the attachment. You can write it in your English 2 copy. First chapter you have already written, and now you will write the first and second chapter question answers you have already written, and now the attachment is will be given of Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? That also you will write in your classwork copy, English 2 copy. And now we will do the book exercise. So see here, page number 16, enjoying the poem, where it is written. You come here, find the 3 pair of words that rhyme in the poem. So we have to find the 3 pair of words that rhyme in the poem. So if you see the poem, you can see here wing, sing. So you can write first one is wing, W-I-N-G, wing, and then put a dash and then write S-I-N-G, sing. Somewhere here only in the space you can write wing, sing first. Second is sight, night, S-I-G-H-T, sight, N-I-G-H-T, night, sight, night. And third rhyming word is true, do, T-R-U-E, true, and D-O, do. So we have got 3 rhyming words: wing, sing, sight, night, and true, do. Okay, children. Second question is add another word of your own that rhymes with these. Now we have to add one rhyming word to the word bird. So tell me, what are the rhyming word with the bird? They can be third, it can be heard, it can be curd. So you can write third, T-H-I-R-D, third, or you can write C-U-R-D, curd. Close, you can write toes, T-O-E-S, toes, or you can write N-O-S-E, nose. Okay, so anything you can write. Now children, you open chapter 3rd, that is the lost laugh. This also children question answers, I will upload it as a PDF in your attachment, so you can check it on Campus Care, and you will write it down in your classwork copy. Okay children, so we will do the book exercise now. So page number 19. Okay, page number 19, understanding the story. Complete these sentences in a few words. Haina had lost dash. This given no, so you write his laugh, H-I-S, his, L-A-U-G-H, laugh, his laugh. Haina thought he had dash that scared other animals. He had big teeth, B-I-G, big, T-E-E-T-H, big teeth. Third one, monkey picked up a feather and dash tickled Haina, T-I-C-K-L-E-D, tickled, T-I-C-K-L-E-D, tickled Haina, H-Y-E-N-A, Haina. Monkey said Haina's laugh was dash all the time. Inside him, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside, H-I-M, him, inside him. Haina's laugh came out because he felt happy, F-E-L-T, felt, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Now answer these questions. So this is question answer part, so you will get it in the attachment. Now turn your page. C is also question answers, so this also you will write in copy, you will get it in the attachment. Now we will come to this grammar and usage part. C, question number A. Complete the second sentence with the correct word from the box. Varun and I are out in the park. Dash are playing with friends. V, W-E-V. Sumi is in Nagpur this week. Dash is visiting her grandparents. She, S-H-E, she. Listen carefully, children. Dash must all come to school on Saturday. You must come, all come to school on Saturday. The sun is high in the sky. It is shining brightly. It. My parents are in kitchen. They are making biryani, because parents means two, so it will be they, They. So first one is we, second she, third you, fourth it, and fifth is they. Now come to page number 21. See here, it is written for the it is about pronouns. Okay, choose the correct word to complete the sentences. Pronoun, as we know, subject pronoun and object pronoun. So subject pronoun is I, you, he, she, it, they. This first person, second person, third persons are subject. And object pronouns, that which falls on the object, like him, her, give this to him, give this to her, give it to us, give it to them. These are object pronoun. So the means the words which receive the action, okay, or are affected by the subject of the sentence, they are known as object pronouns. Let's see. I am hurt. Will you take dash to the hospital? Will you take I, or will you take me? Me. Neeta and Samira need some help. Please help dash. Please help them. Rahul is sleeping. Don't disturb him. Our teacher has asked all of us to stay after class today. Alia is a new student. We should talk to her. So children, this was the object pronouns, that is the words that receive the action or which are affected by the subject of the sentence, like him, her, us, them. These are okay. So I hope you've understood this. Now come to page number 22. Here match the feeling words to the correct places. Okay, so in the WhatsApp you must have seen now all smileys means laughing one, sad smiley, angry smiley, everything. So that is here. So I think you know it very well. I don't need to tell you this. See, angry. Which one is angry? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, na. So angry is the means the bottom one. So you do one thing. You see the faces, and there you can write the number. So the first smiley is of excited. So in front of the first smiley you can write number 5. Okay. In front of first smiley write number 5. Now second smiley is like this, means shocked. So in front of second smiley you write number 3. Third is bored, no? So you write number 4 there. Then next smiley is scared, डरा हुआ. So you write number 2 there. And the last smiley is of angry, very clearly visible. So 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. This is the order. Now B1. Use the feeling words in A to complete these sentences. Seema has nobody to play with today. Seema feels bored. Maya is invited to a birthday party. So when you are invited, you are very happy and excited, no? So she is excited. EXCITED. Sean heard a noise in the dark. He is, obviously when it's dark and you hear a voice, you are scared, no? Afraid, get afraid. So he is scared. SCARED. Irfan was completely dashed at how the film ended. Means he was not expecting. So Irfan was completely shocked. SHOCKED. When you don't expect anything to happen and it happens, so you get shocked. SHOCKED. Someone stole Mohit's backpack. He feels angry. 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 Now next is match to complete the sentences. Then write the sentences in the given space. So Haina was sad because, what will be the answer? because he had lost his laugh. So its first answer will be he had lost his laugh. Hyena felt bad about his big teeth. Hyena felt bad about his big teeth. Monkey tickled the hyena with a feather. Monkey tickled the hyena with a feather. Hyena's laugh was inside him. Hyena's laugh was inside him. So inside him is number 4. All the animals laughed. So laughed is number 5. So 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. Like this you can mark. 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. Okay children, so this was all about the book exercise of lost laugh. I hope you have filled it properly, and you have to learn the word meanings and book exercise from the book. Thank you.